my channel. Today on my channel I will be showing you how I prepare my English breakfast. Come with me guys and let's get started. First, I'm going to start by chopping up my mushrooms. As you can see, I'm chopping it up nicely. Next, it's time to heat up my pan. My pan has heated up nicely. In goes my butter. Next, in goes my mushrooms. Stir, and now it's time to add a little bit of black pepper. In goes my black pepper. In goes a little bit of salt. In goes jumbo seasoning and stir. Guys, jumbo seasoning is optional. Remember, I said I'm only showing you how I love making my English breakfast, so please don't judge. Right, let's get on with our cooking. Mushrooms is nice and ready. I'm just gonna move on to the next item, which is my sausages. As you can see guys, sausages are already in the pan. Just keep turning them around until it is golden brown. Sausages are ready now. Now it's time to take them out of the pan and move on to the next item, which is bacon. In goes my bacon. Turn it to the other side. Allow it to fry until it is crispy. As you can see, now it's ready. It's time for us to move to the next item, which is eggs. First, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, allow it to heat up a little bit, and now it's time to crack our eggs. In goes our eggs. Now I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. In goes our black pepper. In goes a little bit of salt. Allow to fry and then turn it to the other side. As you can see, it is ready. You don't have to fry your eggs too long. It's very important that we get all the nutrients in our meal. It's ready now guys. Now it's time to roast my tomatoes. In goes my tomatoes. In goes a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, and turn them over and allow it to roast for just a minute. As you can see, it has roasted for a minute and it's ready. Next, I will be heating up my baked beans, and this will be heated up for just 2 minutes. As you can see guys, my baked beans has heated up for 2 minutes and it's ready. Next, it's time for me to toast my bread. In goes 2 slices of bread. Allow to toast on each side and it is ready. And now it's time to serve my yummy, delicious English breakfast. Look at that. This is yummy. It is delicious, appetizing, and inviting. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe, and also do not forget to turn on your notification button so whenever I post my video you will be notified. I'm sure you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.